Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to send XRP from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your holdings, trade on a different platform, or just get more familiar with transfers, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. By 2025, crypto processes might evolve with new regulations and tech upgrades, but the core steps remain reliable. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed and set up on your device. You'll need a bit of XRP in your Trust Wallet to cover any transaction fees, so double-check your balance. Security is key here, so always use two-factor authentication on both platforms. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your XRP wallet. It's usually listed under your assets. Tap on it to access your XRP holdings. Now, head over to your Coinbase app or website. Log in, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Never type it manually to avoid errors. Back in Trust Wallet, hit the Send button for XRP. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After you send it, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the XRP network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for confirmation and then check your Coinbase account to see your XRP arrive. Pro tip: always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan to ensure everything's legit. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely transferred. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and only move assets you're comfortable with. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.